Welcome back to React tutorial for beginners session. In last session, we learned what is React, why we should use React for the web development. We also learned key concept of React like component based architecture, declarative concept, virtual DOM. To start working on the creating application, we need to install few software like Node.js from nodejs.org website. Also, we need editor that we can use Visual Studio Code. So from this site, you can download whatever the OS version you have and install. So how to create React application? So we need to open the terminal, go to the folder where you want to create application. And there is a command like nps create React app and your app name. This simple command will create an entire React application without any other setting. And then you can go to that particular project folder and npm start. It will run and open in browser with default port 3000. We have seen like how to create a React application. Here we have used npx. We also can create by using npm. Let's see the difference between npx and npm. So npx we don't have to install globally, but in case of npm you need to install in globally by using npm install -g. npx every time it is up to date, but in case of if suppose we have installed npm on globally, there might be the outdated version, so you need to update. And npx is easy to use. It's a single line command, right? Npx create React app and the app name. But in case of npm, we need to require two steps. First, npm install -g create React app, and then create React app and your app name. So npx is always easy to use. There is no need global installation. It's always up to date. So I will prefer to use npx. Before starting creating the application, we'll understand first what is a JSX. So JSX is a JavaScript XML, is a syntax extension for JavaScript used in React to describe what UI should look like. Think of it as a way to write HTML like code directly inside your JavaScript file. It lets you combine markup and logic in one place. You can embed variables, expression, and even function inside the UI. JSX makes your code more readable and expressive than using React.createElement directly. So React.createElement is a JavaScript syntax, and JSX is like your tags, div tag, h1 tag. It's like HTML tags that we can directly use in our JavaScript code in React. So that is called a JSX. So let's create a new React application. For that, we have already created one folder, cd document. Here we can create our new project. So what is the command? npx create React app and the app name. You can say hello. It's a case sensitive, so hello world. So only one command, it's creating everything. So let's wait as it generating different scripts, installing node modules, default node modules. Yes, project is created. Now what it's saying, inside that you can have the server npm start. Okay, so we'll go to our project folder. What is our project name? Hello world. Okay, and what is the command to run? npm start. Now application is started successfully and it's showing the default page. Here it's saying, like, if suppose you want to change and save, check something, edit the app.src. So let's open our application in our VS Code. So here is our project that we have created, Hello World. Instead of directly running from terminal, we can do from VS Code also. Okay, so let's try to run from here as well. npm start. You would like to another port? No. So here, okay, so we'll run again from our VS Code, npm start. Yes, okay, now and it's loaded on the port of 3001 because it's already running from this terminal. Okay, if suppose you close this and then if suppose you will run again from your VS Code, Control C, clear, and then npm start. Okay, so 3001. Here also we can render by using 3001. Okay, so now what they said in src app.js, here you can edit, like we can remove this header and everything and just only h1 tag, and we'll say welcome to tech skill builder ReactJs tutorial for beginners. Okay, let's save this and check the output in browser. See, it's reflected here. So this is basic Hello World program that we have seen. So in this video we have learned, right, what is the difference between npm and npx. So npx is more readable, or it's a single line command that will create your React application, and in case of npm you need to do two steps. You need to install globally and then you need to create app. So two commands are there. So npx is good to use actually. So I hope you understood how to create React application by using different command npx and npm. Also we tried to change the code, and that also we have checked that also reflected on the browser. So in next video we'll learn the folder structure. Once we create any React application, so there are different files we'll create: package.json, package.json, node modules, src, and different folders will be there. So all those folder in details we'll see in the next session. I hope you like this tutorial